Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the platform that holds the music you need and obtaining API access. This gives you structured ID. Once done, use the track URL, title, and artist to narrow results so queries return precise matches. Make sure to record the exact metadata fields you'll compare: title, artist, album, duration, because small differences matter. You'll now move straight into building and testing a simple API request that returns the track record containing its unique ID. You construct a search or lookup request, include title and artist, or call the endpoint that resolves a URL to a track. Then parse the JSON response to extract the canonical ID, URI, or SRC. Those are the persistent identifiers you'll store. If you get multiple results, apply a matching heuristic. Compare durations within a few seconds and check album or label to avoid false positives. Also implement retry and backoff to respect rate limits so your process stays reliable. You finalize by saving the resolved ID along with the platform tag and a timestamp so you can trace provenance. Once saved, verify by calling the single track endpoint or playing a short preview to confirm it matches expectations. This prevents downstream errors. If something goes wrong, check for encoding differences, extra whitespace, alternate title versions, or missing API scopes. These are common causes of mismatches. If necessary, widen your search with fuzzy options and rerun verification until confident.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.